Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm over here in Kansas City. Basement. Yeah, it's a basement here in Kansas City. We're going to have 2 wall braces put in, and we hammered down to the footing on that one almost. And we're going to continue on this here. The guys are eating lunch. Some of the finest men on the planet right there eating lunch. But what we're going to do is here we're going to fix this crack right here. We're going to put in 2 H-beams. So stay tuned. We're going to install our King Piers methodology, just like we do on every home. And so this job here, I met this fine young man right here, the homeowner, and my guys were in Odessa. We had a quick little fix in Odessa. Then we were basically done at the church, and this guy called me and wanted me to price some wall braces to go in here. So I said I can work you in today, and here we are. And I think so far he's impressed. I'll shoot another video when we're done. And yeah, there you have it. KingPiers.com, 816-521-8915. Thank you.